Hello students, today we will learn some important values of log. You have to remember some of the values like log, log base 10, 1 is 0, log base 10, 2 is 0.3010, log base 10, 3 is 0.4771, log 5 is 6989 and log 7 is 0.8450, and from these values we can calculate the values of log 4, log 6, log 8 and log 9 and log 10 as well. So first of all, let's learn some formulas which are pretty important for calculating the value of log 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10 and much more. You can also calculate values of values of number like 12, 14, basic formulas. If you have to in most of the numericals you will get natural log, and to convert natural log into log base 10 is just multiply it by a factor of 2.303 and you will get the log base 10, जिसकी वैल्यू आपको टेबल में मिल जाती है log base 10 की. नेचुरल log की कोई टेबल नहीं है हमारे पास. ओके, if log base 10 x into y, then we have log x plus log y. दैट इज हमें log x की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है और log y की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है, दोनों ही अलग अलग, और फिर दोनों को ऐड कर देना है. तो हम ऐसे भी log x इंटू वाई की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. इसी फॉर्मूले की हेल्प से हम किसकी वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करेंगे, हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे log 4 की वैल्यू. यहाँ वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं हम इसकी. सो log बेस 10 2 इंटू 2, जैसे कि हमने वो फॉर्मूला पढ़ा था log x इंटू log y. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फॉर्मूला हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. तो log 2 plus log 2. I am not writing log base 10 every time, so it's understood that कि हम log base 10 ही ले रहे हैं. तो log base 2 की वैल्यू इज 0.3010 plus 0.3010 and at last we will get 0.6020. और ऐसे ही हम फ़ोन की हेल्प से भी इस वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि log 2 की वैल्यू कितनी थी 0.3010 और log 4 की वैल्यू इज जस्ट डबल ऑफ दैट इज 0.6010. ऐसे ही हम log 6 की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज log 6 is just a factor of 3 and 2, that is log 3 plus log 2 base 10. log 3, as I have told you, you have to remember the value. So log 3 is 0.4771 plus log 2 is 0.3010, and as you add you will get 1 plus 0 1, 7 plus 1 8, 7, 4 plus 3 7, 0.7781. so you can also find log 6 is 0.7781. so you got it correct. In the same way we can calculate all the values of log, of which we can make factors. Then we can calculate values of log 8 as well, because we can find this value by different methods. Like we can also calculate it by making factors, that is log base 10 2 into 2 into 2. You can also calculate this like log base 10 2 raised to power 3, because 8 can also be written as 2 raised to power 3, and from this formula, log x raised to power y is equal to y log के आगे आ जाता है and log x, तो 3 into log base 10 and 2, and we know the values of value of log 2, which is 3 into 0.3010. Now multiply this 30309, and we can also check it from the log table, from the calculator. That is log 8 is 9030. Now you can also calculate values of log 9 as well, which is equal to log base 10 3 raised to power 2. In this way you can also calculate values of log 9 by breaking this 9 into 3 raised to power 2 or 3 into 3, or log base 10, then you use this formula, that is log x raised to power y, which is equal to y log x. तो आप ऐसे किसी भी उस नंबर की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं जिसके हम फैक्टर्स बना सकते हों और जिसके फैक्टर्स की हमें वैल्यू पता हो. बट फॉर दिस यू हैव टू एटलीस्ट रिमेंबर द बेसिक log values, that is log 1, log 2, log 3, 5, 7, and all the other values can be calculated from these using the. Thank you very much for watching.